Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to activate Xfinity Internet. Pretty simple. This is what I'd like you to do. First off, you need to set up and to create your Xfinity ID. And how do you do that? Launch in a browser of your choice and look at the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type xfinity.com and it's going to take you to the official website. In the website, at the top right corner, follow through the on-screen prompt to sign in or to sign up. And once you do that, here is exactly how you can now activate your Xfinity Internet and voice services. First one, you can do that using two ways: activating with an Xfinity gateway, and you can also do that using an approved own third-party device. Let's go over how we can activate it with an Xfinity gateway. First off, download the Xfinity application on your mobile phone and create your Xfinity ID and password, which of course I've run you through. You can also do that using your web application. Now log in. Once you log in, identify your device. How do you do that? Look for the QR code on the bottom or the side of your Xfinity gateway in your mobile application and focus on the QR code with your smartphone's camera. Okay, and when it has been scanned, you will see a green check mark. Look for the QR code on the bottom or the side of your Xfinity gateway. Focus on the QR code with your smartphone camera. When it has been scanned, you'll see a green check mark. You can also manually enter your gateway CMMAC number or SSID number if you don't want to use the QR code option. Now, place your gateway or modem. How do you do that? Find the cable outlet most centrally located in your home. Now, place your gateway or your modem in an open area away from the exterior walls, metal surfaces, microwaves, and windows. Make sure that the modem is away from all of those things. Don't place it on the floor as well. Avoid cramped spaces and anything that can block the device signal. Now, once you have placed your gateway or your modem in an open area away from all of these things, go ahead and connect your gateway. How do you connect it? Screw one end of the coaxial cable into the cable in/RF import on your gateway or modem and select the other end or insert the other end into the cable wall outlet. Make sure this connection is finger tight. Next, plug the power cord into the back of your gateway and then into an electrical outlet to allow for power. All right, to allow for power supply. Now, if you subscribe to Xfinity voice service, connect your telephone to the Tel1 connection on your gateway or modem using a telephone card. That's if you do that, or if you did that. Now name your Wi-Fi network and create a password. You're going to see an option for you to do that. Wait for your gateway or modem to be ready. Your gateway or modem will take up to 10 minutes to be ready to activate. The Xfinity app will show you your progress during the step, so you have nothing to worry about. Don't unplug your gateway or modem during the process. Make sure the lights appear as described below before moving on to the next step. Now, if you have an Xfinity gateway with multiple lights on the front, that's the power, the USDS, and online light should remain solid for at least 1 minute. And the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz light should start blinking. If you have an Xfinity gateway with only one light on the top, it should remain solid white for at least 1 minute. That shows that the process is on. That shows that it's activating. Now connect all your devices. Once your network is set up, your Xfinity Internet and voice services are ready to go. Now you can connect all wireless devices like laptop and smartphones to your Wi-Fi network. If you replace your Xfinity gateway and kept the same settings during activation, your previously connected devices should automatically reconnect. That's how to do that. So the next one is how you can activate an approved own third-party device. Place your modem, all right, by finding the cable outlet most centrally located in your home. Place your gateway or modem, just like the process we did earlier, in an open area away from all of this stuff, and connect your modem. How do you connect your modem? Plug the power cord into the back of your modem and then into an electrical outlet. Screw one end of the coaxial cable into the cable in RF import on your modem and to the other end into the cable wall outlet. Now make sure this connection is finger tight. Then the next thing, you have to establish a temporary internet connection either through Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable. So connect through Wi-Fi if your modem supports a wireless connection. How do you do that? Look for the network name, that's the SSID and password printed on the side, back or bottom of your modem. The name may look like this. There's this home XSS. Now go to the Wi-Fi settings on your Wi-Fi enabled device like a smartphone or home computer and select the network name from the list of available networks. Enter the network password when prompted, and if you're prompted to enter a PIN instead of password, select the connect using the security key link to enter the password in the security field. The next step is to connect through an Ethernet cable. So plug the Ethernet cable into one of the open ports on your modem until it clicks, and plug the other end into the Ethernet port of your computer. The Ethernet port will light up and successfully connected. You're going to find the Ethernet cable right there in your cable box. Activate your modem. If you don't automatically see a welcome message on your smartphone or computer screen to begin setup once you've established an internet connection, this is what you're going to do. Open the web browser and go to xfinity.com/activate. Click the If-friendly location with the pre-installed gateway activating your Xfinity voice. Click here to begin. You're going to see the option. So click that option at the bottom of the screen and follow the prompts to verify your Xfinity account and complete the activation process. Then connect to your home network. After connecting to your home network, after activation, connect your devices to your Wi-Fi name and password for your home network if your modem supports a wireless connection. So this is pretty much how you can go about this. You can go about this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. This is absolutely how you can activate your Xfinity Internet using these two methods. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.